Hello everyone and welcome back to Satoshi Speaks YouTube channel. So in this video we are again going to check out SATO product. So they had done recent partnerships with footballers as well as Vision Football Club. So we will check it later into the video, but if you had not watched the first video, make sure you check out the first video as well, because in that video I had shown each and everything about this product. So here we are back onto the website and you can check out SATO built onto the page chain. You can check out their social media handles such as X, Telegram, TikTok, Facebook handles are given here. So if we scroll, you can check out the introduction. So in this video I will give you a small introduction, because this video is mainly made for the celebrity endorsements. So Sato is a decentralized meme coin born on base network and originally launched with minimal utility beyond its meme value. After a period of abandonment by the original developers, the product was revived by a passionate community of holders who refused to let Sato fade into the obscurity. So make sure you check out the details as well. So now let's check out their currently partnership. So we had to check the first one, which is Fijian Football Factory. So if we search it on the Google, you can check out Fijian Football Factory, the sports club in England. Also the address, phone number and details are given here. So if you are a football lover, make sure you participate into this product, because they are doing partnerships with the football clubs as well. Also they had not stopped there, and they had signed a partnership deal with Troy Deeney, who is an ex-Birmingham Football FC player. You can search him on the Google and check out the details. He used to play as a striker. Also they had done the partnership with Harley James Dean. He's also an English professional footballer who plays as a central back, most recently for EFL League One club rating and much more. His position is defender. Height and details are also given here, so make sure to check it out as well. Coming back to the website, you can check out the contract address, buy it onto the Uniswap, as well as coin market cap details are given here. If you scroll, you can check out the gallery as well as the NFT features are available into this product. Also, they had not stopped there. They had done a partnership with Puerto Rico, which is a charity organization which helps save dogs. So if you are a dog lover, you can participate into SATO product and help rescue dogs. So also guys, make sure to join their social media handles, because they are doing partnerships on daily basis, and you will come to know about the partnerships onto their social media handles. So make sure to do some on research as well on this product and then jump into this product. This product is looking really good according to me, and if you want to know more details about this product, make sure to watch the first video which I had uploaded onto my channel. So I will meet you soon. So till then, take care and have a nice day.